So after the tied column, now didn't proceed sa spiral and column ties. So spiral columns. So the spiral reinforcement consists of evenly spaced continuous spirals held firmly in place by at least three vertical bars spacers under the following considerations. That the center-to-center spacing of the spiral should not exceed 6 parts of the diameter core. That the clear spacing between the spirals should not exceed 7.5 centimeters. So clear spacing between spirals should not exceed 7.5 centimeters. And the center-to-center spacing in the spiral should not exceed the sixth part of the diameter core. So diameter divided by 6, dapat dili mo sobraan na yung spacing. Ikatlo is that the clear spacing between spirals be less than 1.5 times the biggest size of the core's aggregate. So biggest size of the core's aggregate, so 1.5 daw, that is 1.5 times the biggest size of the aggregate. So generally, no, siyempre sa botany, there's the biggest size of the core's aggregate. That is the nominal size, no. Dapat, ang spacing ni, sa pasabot ani sa 3. Ang pasabot ani, dili mo gamay, dili gamay kaayo ang kuan, spacing or ni spirals. Eh kung gamay kaayo siya, ba nay chance nga ang coarse aggregate dili maka sulod, no? Musangit si coarse aggregate. So yung point lang yun ani is that yung spacing should be 1.5 times the size of the aggregate aron sure gyud nga molusot si aggregate. That's just the point. So ang dali na ni ang kuan spiral, no, pwede siya mano-mano, and then there is also kuan kaning this one, no, natay table number of spiral enforcing bars, and then dali na siya dayon. By using the table, we can get the steel bars required. Basta naa lang jud kay ko ano diameter of the column and the pitch. So unsa man ang diameter of pitch? Okay, there is one example. Diameter, of course, this is this one, the diameter of the column. And then ang pitch is kaning spacing ni kuan nila, this is the pitch. So for this example, ang pitch is 5 centimeters, diameter is 50 centimeters. Ang gamiton nga spiral ties is 10 millimeters. Now, 14 ka columns at 7 meters high. Find the number of 10 mm steel bars needed for a 5 centimeter pitch spirals. So, buhatan na to first. Total height, no, of the column. Total height of the column. So, we have 7 meters high per column times, pila ni ka column? 14 columns. 14 ka buka columns. So, the total height is equal to 98 meters. And then, from table, so unsa man ang atong tanang gani, the diameter and then the pitch. Balik ta sa table. Ang diameter is 50 centimeters. And then the pitch is 5 centimeters. Now, naikuan diri, no, if 6-meter bar ang gamiton, 9-meter long bar or 12-meter long bar. So na siya factors. 4.1019 if 6 meters, 3.223 if 9 meters, 2.397 if 12 meters. So depende ra gyud na siya, no. So let's say ang gamito na to is the 6 meters. But if specify mas mayo, but if wala, so let's say lang yun, no, ato gamiton is the 4.919 meters. The 6 meters bar. So the number of 6-meter bars, no, if ato to siya gamiton, is just equal to 98 meters times the 4.919. Actually, that it means the pieces per meter. We have 482.1, or say, kinahanglan tag 483 pieces of 6 meter, I forgot that. Una gyud na isulat na to ang diameter. So we have the 10 millimeter diameter by 6 meters long na bar. Ano na siya? And then, that's it. You're done. Now, how about if mano-mano? So, kung mano-mano, so kuhanin mo ning katunga sa circumference and then ang pitch. So, kanilang katunga niya, no, that is let's say this is the katunga of the circumference and then nakay pitch. And then, ang kanin si kuan, mura mo guni siya kuan, di ba? That is pa-curve, pasaka. Si imong buhaton ani is kaning circumference, katunga sa circumference is imo ning ipa-straight para ma-straight sad to ang nakaislant. And then, Pythagorean theorem lang, C is equal to A squared plus B squared. Narinig kay approximate nga length ani. So that is this one. Dili lang na siya sa katunga sa isa lang ka-turn. Taman dili. And then, kada tuyok na siya. And then, kaduhaon man na siya. So, actually, dali, mano-mano gina siya tanong. Multiply kag 2, times 2 ka, times 2 pag yun. And then, overall, kung din mo pila ka pitches sa height, sa 7 meters. And then, makuha din mo ang total length, i-divide mo sa 6 meters, and then you will get your number of pieces. So, dili lang yun siya ingon nga, kung exact like, di siya ingon nga pareha ni 483 pieces. But though siya, let's say 470, 460, somewhere around that part, no? So, kanin pong quantity din ni as per the table is okay naman ni siya. We can use that one. But if there is no table, mo po to siya. There is a mano-mano for that. So, ang mano-mano is, ng half dili. This one is just the half of the circumference, di ba? And then the circumference, di ba, is pi d. Sa ato pa, 1/2 of pi d, that is the length there. So, 1/2 of pi d. And then we have the pitch, and then you will get the half of this one. And then, 1 turn, that is times 2. And then, times 2 pag yun, kay duha man ni mura man ni sila balad duha ka bars good nga gipagtabo, so times 2. And then kuan mo ang number of pila ka na pitches, no, per height. So we have the 7 meters divided by 0.05, imo man ang makuha meters per pitch times the number of columns, etc. And then you will get the length. So ang total length na yun, i-divide na mo 6 meters, and then you'll get an approximate value or number of pieces. Yan na siya. Same lang.